Welcome to today's class. We are looking at transitive and intransitive verb. Before we go straight into that, we need to understand some things. The major function of a verb is to say something about the subject of the sentence. And what is the subject of the sentence? The subject is usually a noun or a pronoun, and it is the one that performs the action of the verb. The thing that receives the action of the verb is called the object. While the subject performs the action, the object receives the action. Now, what are transitive and intransitive verbs? A transitive verb is a kind of verb that allows action to pass from the subject to the object. In other words, a transitive verb extends to a receiver. Therefore, it is or it must have a direct object. So a transitive verb must have a direct object. Let's see some examples. The hunter killed an antelope. The hunter here is the subject, the verb is killed, and an antelope is the object. And because the verb has an object, it is used here as a transitive verb. The girl shut the door. The girl is the subject, shut is the verb, the door is the object that receives the action performed by the girl. Therefore, shut is the transitive verb because it has a direct object. What about intransitive verb? Intransitive verb is a kind of verb with a subject but no object to act on. It does not have an object. It does not extend to any object. Examples are the boy fell. The boy is the subject. The verb is fell, which is intransitive because it has no object, no direct object. The woman smiles, no direct object. The woman is the subject, and the verb intransitive here is smiles. However, there are some verbs that can either be used transitively and intransitively. Let's look at some of them. The young girl sings a song. Sings here is used transitively because it has an object. In the second sentence, the young girl sings well. It is used here intransitively because it does not have a direct object. Mr. Ojo runs a race. Runs is used as transitive verb because it has a race as an object. While in the second one, Mr. Ojo runs quickly tells us how Mr. Ojo runs. So there is no object in this. It actually performs the function intransitively. As a result, there are some verbs that can either be used as transitive and intransitive depending on the function they are meant to perform in sentences. Let's go with this activity. Identify the transitive and intransitive verbs in this passage.